How to delete your Oculus account with Metaquest app. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, launch your Metaquest application on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your profile. Then go to the hamburger icon which says menu at the bottom right corner. Over here, okay. Now just tap on settings. Then tap on account settings on top. Just tap on continue. Wait for a while. Now at the end, you can see the option of delete your account in blue. Just tap on it. Okay, here we go. Now you have to enter your password. Then simply tap on login. Okay, now it says delete your data. Now you can read all these information and then at last tap on the option of delete your data. Now wait for a while. Now over here you can see that your account has been successfully scheduled for deletion, which means that it may take up to 30 days or even more in order to delete your account. However, your data will not be visible to other people. So by following these easy steps, you can successfully delete your Oculus account with Metaquest app. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.